Hi, my name is Joey. I'm with Sewer and Drains of Northern Nevada, and what we have here is a 2-inch kitchen sink drain line that kept having backups. So this is a apartment complex that I went to, and first thing I did was run the cable to clear the line. You refer to it as a snake, and although it did clear it, it just didn't feel right. So what I did is I ran the camera right after it to see what the issue was. As you can see here, this is a grease ball. So this grease ball was causing multiple backups. Even after they had the maintenance go out and run their line, they just kept having backup after backup. So the best way to get rid of your grease balls is going to be either your flex shaft machine or your, what I have here is your chain knockers, which is a 4-inch, 3-inch, 2-inch, and an 1.5 inch, or a hydro flush, a hydro jetter. You could run a jetter through the line as well, but this here is less expensive than a jetter, and you'll see the progress we make once we run this in there. But here I'm putting on the 2-inch chains for that 2-inch drain line, and we're gonna go ahead and run it with the camera behind it to see the progress it's making. So keep in mind, this also does work very well on tree roots. So if you're having sewer main issues in your sewer line for like a break from a root intrusion, this will remove roots as well. And pretty much the same process that you see here, we can run that camera right behind it and then run the machine at the same time to see the progress. So once we get this going, we'll be able to break this all up, and then we'll be able to just flush it out with water. So once we get the water running, it'll look pretty good. But if you look at it now, this just, oh man, look, you can't beat it. You cannot beat this for the price. I mean, this does such a good job. I mean, look how it eats away at that grease. That looks really good. I love the way this looks. I don't know, it's just me, I guess, but it's just what I do. But look at this. It just eats away at that grease. I love it how it does this. So once we get to that point, we removed all the grease. We're gonna go ahead and rerun the camera, take the chains out, and rerun the camera with water. So what we did is we filled up the sink and just popped the stopper off and then just ran it. And you can see it looks a lot cleaner now. But what were we, 4 to 5 feet or 4 to 6 feet is where the grease ball was. So we'll reset the counter, run it out, and once we get to the 4 to 6 foot mark right there on the bottom left, we'll be able to see the difference. And you can see the little white dots on the pipe. That's all your little grease ball. That's all that's left. So this looks really good. I am very happy with the outcome.